Winning awards for your business is like gaining superpowers. They give you an edge and they help you stand out as a leader in your field. But are things the same from the perspective of those who organize them? Absolutely. If done right, award programs can be beneficial for everyone involved, including the organizers, sponsors, program judges, everyone recognized with a nomination, and of course, the worthy winners. So let's look into some of these benefits together and answer the question, why should you organize award programs in the first place? Award programs are one of the most efficient ways to promote best practices among your partners, clients, and in your industry as a whole. They can also support a good cause and be used to spread positive messages, trigger progress, and achieve a great impact. While this is compelling enough and you probably want to go ahead and start planning your awards program right now, stick around because we have even more benefits to share with you. Award programs can help you establish industry authority and prove yourself as a leader in your field. Solidifying this respected leadership position opens the door for new business leads and contacts, as well as opportunities for negotiating new business partnerships, even with organizations that aren't part of the field you operate in. In addition, award programs are also great for enhancing your brand image and infusing your organization with impactful marketing prowess. An awards program can give you extra publicity by generating more online buzz, media coverage, likes, shares, and commentary across all channels. Your program can turn into the cat video that makes your company go viral. Another benefit of award programs, when done right, they can bring in revenue, which makes them the ultimate win-win for any organization. We've covered new partnerships, brand image, marketing, and income, all benefits related to external awards. But what if you work for a large company? Then you might want to consider the pros of organizing internal awards. They can have numerous benefits, such as boosting employee motivation, productivity, and morale, nurturing the processes and work standards within your team, encouraging innovation and improvement, as well as recognizing and retaining talent. It is a matter of psychology. Employees are more likely to repeat a specific action if rewarded for it. Hopefully, now you can see the countless reasons to plan and organize award programs. With the right tools and strategy, you can really make an impact and create amazing awards that would benefit your organization and beyond.